Hey folks, Kathy here. Well, we got us a good downpour today. I'm really super excited. Looks like the ground got good and wet this time. Um, it did kind of rain a little bit yesterday too, but yeah, it's kind of crazy. I'm gonna go and check my stuff, make sure everything's good and wet. So I'm gonna take you with me. So I want you to see how beautiful these roselles are growing. I mean, it's so funny how much better they grow with rain than with the reclaimed water. Yep, everything is growing pretty good. I don't know what that plant is, but these are all lemon basil. These are from saved seeds from the plants that I started from Holland and Lily seeds. I absolutely love that basil. So, looks like everything around here is wet pretty good. And look at the roselles in this. They are really growing good. I wish I had done that with the other ones, right? They look so much better. All the blackberries look great. The lemon balm looks good. I still haven't figured out what those plants are. Those four on the bottom and that one up there. And not all of the jaboticabas are going to make it. It looks like only maybe 4 or 5 of them is going to make it. But that's more than I had in the beginning, right? I didn't have any until I dug them up, right? Well, I had them, but I just didn't try to grow them. Everything in here is getting eaten up bad. But y'all know I don't use anything for pest consumption. In 2 days, this is the water that we have gotten. So I'm gonna have to do something about that. But let's go on back here and look in the back. This is where I really want to check it, everything, and see if everything's growing fine. Oh, I should probably, before I go back there, I should probably go and check these beds that get really dry over here. Oh, I'm getting soaked. Yeah, everything looks fantastic. And look at this. This strawberry is just, it's going and going and going, right? Keep on putting off shoots. Grow all over the place for me. Anyways, no strawberries up here. I should have probably checked out front. I'll have to check that out. And something's eating these guys up here too. So I haven't found what's eating them. I'm thinking it's probably the grasshoppers. These tomatoes are finally coming out of that stage of not doing anything. That one over there died though. I have to put something new in there. And boy, oh boy, do we ever have some water standing in there. So, okay, so I moved these guys out of the water. I probably should move this guy too. This is my rosemary. Move that over there too. So, the rest of those can get a lot of water except for these. I don't want these guys to rot either. Hopefully they'll come back too like the other ones did. But the rest of that stuff can have plenty of water. I don't remember what this was. Summer savory. Well, it died back. Anyways, everything's looking fantastic over here. Oh, that was a nasty wet feeling. on your back. All my little babies are crying. But they're nice and dry in there. That's the best part about having that covered up like that. So, I had to do a double take. I seen that pig over there. Oh, and I got to show you something, Linda. I forgot to tell you because I kept missing it. I have the second turmeric coming up. Check that out. I can get up. The asparagus is looking great over here. So let's move through here. Asparagus is looking good over here. And let's see here. These tomatoes, strawberries are looking pretty good. I've lost a lot of them, gotta say. Wasn't happy about that, but you know, it just kept on getting dry and there were no rain, and now that the rain's coming, oh my goodness, they look fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. So I need to weed in there, get them all taken care of. So, and I need to put the mulch down here and get this all taken care of. And looky here, I got some more fruit. Isn't that gorgeous? 2 big ones. There's tons of fruit on there. I just haven't really counted or anything like that. I'll wait till they get bigger. So, and I need to harvest the blackberries. Oh, look at that one. Oh, and there's another one. Yeah, buddy. There's some nice looking blackberries. And I'll tell you, I've got that quart bag, I'm sorry, not pint. That quart bag is half full almost. So pretty soon I'll have enough to make a nice little pie. Or at least some turnovers or something, you know? Well, those are still too little down there. I'm not seeing anything up here. I did get some this morning though. So, not my normal harvest. I want to put that down in the ground and let it root. But I don't know. I don't know if that'll do that or not. Anyways. I'm sure I missed some here and there. They are hard to see sometimes. Let's put them in the pocket. Hopefully I won't squish them. Anyways, I gotta go out here and check this garden. One of these days I'll get this gate and fix it. But I got so much to do. Oh, be still my heart. Everything looks beautiful. Look how much growth I've gotten since we've started getting a little bit of showering. I mean, just amazes me. Absolutely beautiful. And hopefully Oh, look at them tomatoes. I need to separate them out and start getting them on the trellis or in the hoop somewhere. But yep, everything looks fantastic. Try to make sure I don't get any grass in there because I don't want to disturb the roots of the corn. But I'm excited about that. I need to get the beans put in here with them so they can trellis up the beans. I mean up the corn. So I will have to do that in the next day or so. Actually, I'll have to do it tomorrow because I'm going to be gone for a few days. That one little fig is still on there. Just better park up some and give me some good real estate, or else it's going to have to be moved somewhere else. Anyways, everything else is looking fantastic. Really super glad I separated these guys out. They're looking really good. And I don't know what... Oh, looky here. I got a bean I almost stepped in. I need to transfer that, right? Oh, that's a nasturtium. Yay! That excites me. I didn't know. I thought those seeds were old. I need to get by the store and get some more though, because I really, really want them. These are starting to grow pretty good. Need to get them transferred too. But these over here are growing so much better than those, which is kind of funny. They were planted at the same time. Oh well. Anyways, everything is wet down pretty good. I'm pretty excited about that. And God knows the mosquitoes are out eating me alive too. I gotta get over here and get me some chicken eggs. Okay, only 2 eggs tonight, but I had 3 this morning. So that's how many chickens I got, so, you know, can't beat that, 5 a day. Anyways, I want to take and go look at the roselle over here. So let's go look at that. And it is still raining just a little bit, and it looks like, I don't know what them squirrels have got for bedding there, but some kind of something that they've tore up. But that fell out of the tree tonight. And I'm hoping these guys pick up. Well, they are a little bit bigger, not much, but they do have another leaf come out. And one coming out, so that one right there doesn't look very good, but we'll see. They have plenty of chance to grow there. Anyways, folks, I just want to say finally we got some rain. Can't believe it. This is awesome. It makes everything so much better. It's so much easier to grow things, although it does set off the weeds, so I'll have even more work, but I'd rather my plants get watered by God than by me. Anyways, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time here on Living America Homestead. Bye now.